Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to attach a file in Zoho Mail. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your Zoho Mail account. Once you're inside your inbox, click on the New Mail button located at the top left corner to open a fresh Compose window. Now, to attach a file, look at the bottom left corner of the Compose window. You'll see a paperclip icon. Click on it to bring up different attachment options. The most common method is Upload from Computer. This opens a file browser where you can select the file you want. Once chosen, the file will start uploading automatically. Another option is Attach from Zoho Work Drive, which is helpful if your files are already saved in Zoho's cloud. This lets you add them directly without downloading. You can also use the simple drag and drop method by dragging files from your desktop straight into the Compose window. After the upload finishes, just click Send, and your email with the attachment will be delivered. So that's basically how you can attach a file in Zoho Mail. That's it for this video. Thanks.